ACCA is a professional qualification in the field of accounting and finance. This institute was originally founded in 1904 and it has a rich history of around 120 years. Currently इसके around 250,000 plus qualified members हैं and it has around 530,000 of active students. So if you're someone who wants to build his career in the field of accounting, finance, taxation or audit, ACCA can be a very good option for you. So when can you start your ACCA? So ACCA offers flexible entry options. You can start your ACCA journey after Matric and O-levels. You can start it after FSC and A-levels. In fact, you can also start your ACCA program after completing your graduation. So if we talk about the levels and subjects of ACCA, so in total it has 13 papers which are broken into 3 different levels. The knowledge level, which has 3 papers, the skills level, which has 6 papers, and professional level, which has total of 6 papers, out of which you have to appear in only 4. If you are someone जिसका prior background नहीं है in the field of accounting and finance, you have to clear additional level. It is the foundation level which comprises of 4 papers. इसी तरह if you are coming from commerce background, for example, if you have completed your ICOM, so you get exemptions in 2 papers of ACCA, which is FA1 and FA2. इसी तरह if you have completed your BCom, so you get exemption in 4 papers of foundation level and you can also get exemptions up to 3 papers of knowledge level. If you have completed your O-levels and A-levels, so you can get exemptions in these 4 papers of foundation level. If we talk about the examination structure, so it depends कि आप ACCA के कौन से level में हैं. जो फाउंडेशन एंड नॉलेज लेवल के एग्जामिनेशंस हैं, द टेस्टिंग हेयर इज़ 100% ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड. जो स्किल्स लेवल है विच हैज़ टोटल ऑफ 6 पेपर्स, द टेस्टिंग हेयर इज़ अ कम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ ऑब्जेक्टिव बेस्ड एंड एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस. इसी तरह जो प्रोफेशनल लेवल के 4 आउट ऑफ 6 एग्ज़ाम्स जिसमें आप अपेयर होंगे, the testing here is 100% application based. If we talk about the examination pattern and windows, so जो आपके foundation level और knowledge level के examinations हैं, ये weekly conduct हो रहे होते हैं. इसी तरह जो आपके skills and professional level के exams हैं, they are conducted on quarterly basis. The examinations are conducted in March, June, September and December. अच्छा, how long does it take to complete your ACCA? So on average it takes somewhere between 3 to 3.5 years. अगर हम duration को different levels में break down कर दे, so जो foundation and knowledge level है जिसमें total 7 papers हैं, you can easily clear them in 9 months. इसी तरह जो 6 पेपर्स हैं इन स्किल्स लेवल, एक एवरेज बच्चा 15 मंथ्स में ये इजीली कंप्लीट करता है. इसी तरह जो 4 पेपर्स हैं ऑफ प्रोफेशनल लेवल, सो अगर आप क्वार्टरली इन एग्ज़ाम्स में अपेयर होते हो, सो यू कैन ईजीली क्लियर देम इन 12 मंथ्स. अच्छा, इफ़ यू हैव completed all of your ACCA exams, you have to complete 3 years of practical experience. ये एक्सपीरियंस आप अपने स्टडीज़ के साथ भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर एग्जामिनेशंस. सो इफ़ यू हैव पास्ड ऑल ऑफ योर एग्जाम्स एंड यू हैव कंप्लीटेड 3 years ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस, you become a member of ACCA. So if we talk about the cost which is involved in ACCA, so 3 different types की cost हैं. One is the registration and subscription fee. Secondly, you have the tuition fee. And thirdly, you have the examination fee. Assuming कि आप within 3 years ACCA qualify करते हो, so your subscription fee will range about. Assuming आप 3 years में ACCA qualify करते हो, so your subscription fee will be somewhere between 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs. इसी तरह your tuition fee will cost you around 4 lakhs. एंड जो एग्जामिनेशन फ़ी है विच यू विल बी पेइंग टू ACCA, इट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 9 lakhs. ये कॉस्ट आपने वन टाइम अप फ्रंट पे नहीं करनी, बट ग्रेजुअली within 3 years you have to pay this cost. अच्छा, after qualifying your ACCA you have multiple career options. If you are someone who is into financial accounting, आप एज अ फाइनेंस मैनेजर किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में स्टार्ट कर सकते हो एंड अल्टीमेटली paving your way to become a CFO. If you are someone who has interest in costing, budgeting and forecasting, so आप management accounting में अपना career बना सकते हो. You are interested in taxation, so UK is the oldest jurisdiction जहाँ पे tax का कानून नाफिज है. So you can provide tax consultancy to local and international clients. If you are interested in mergers, acquisition and valuation, so advisory can be a very good option for you. इसी तरह in audit you can go into internal audit and external audit. So if you are someone who knows about technology and into AI, so ERP can be a very good option for you. If you have completed all of your ACCA exams and you have 3 years of practical experience, so in Pakistan you start somewhere between 1.5 to 2 lakhs. इसी तरह अगर हम सऊदी एंड अदर गल्फ कंट्रीज़ की बात करते हैं, so the salary range is comparatively very higher. For example, in Saudi, a fresh qualified ACCA member starts somewhere between 8,000 to 12,000 Saudi riyal. इसी तरह I have also mentioned the pay scales in United Kingdom. So a fresh ACCA member starts somewhere between 3,000 to 3,500 pounds. इसी तरह with your experience, जिस तरह आप अपने कैरियर में प्रोग्रेस करते हैं, your pay scale increases. ACCA is not just a professional qualification. इसकी बेसिस पे आप बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री इन अप्लाइड अकाउंटिंग कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लंदन. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you have completed the first and second level of ACCA and you have completed 3 modules of University of London, so you can attain bachelor's degree in applied accounting from University of London. इसी तरह if you are ACCA affiliate या ACCA member है आप and you have completed only 2 modules of University of London and 1 research project, so you can attain MSc in professional accountancy from University of London. Thank you.